मुझे भी आपसे अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मुझे भी आपसे कुछ कहना था. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर अ वंडरफुल स्पीच. यहाँ पर टुडे वी आर गैदर्ड हियर टू सपोर्ट किंगस्टन स्कूल. They are facing so many issues, but the main important issue is that we all know that disabled students are more prone to danger. And when it comes to girls, safety and security is the first thing. आज हमने जो फंड रेजिंग की है वो इसीलिए की है कि इनकी बच्चियों के साथ ऊपर नीचे 2 मिसहैप हुए थे, जिसके बाद वी आर गोइंग टू बीकन हाउस. स्टूडेंट्स आर गोइंग टू सपोर्ट देम टू अरेंज अ कैरी डब्बा, जहाँ पर ये अपने बच्चों को खुद सपोर्ट दे सकें. जहाँ तक आपके डिपार्टमेंट की बात रही तो येस, दिस विल बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इफ वी ऑल शुड सिट टुगेदर एंड मेक अ करिकुलम बिकॉज their students are so talented. This time they participated among different students and won the first prize in dream car contest. And their student got 900 something marks in the matric examination. If they are doing so well in competition with the normal students, if we provide them the separate curriculum and some provision to them, so I'm pretty sure that they'll produce better grades and they'll be able to, they'll be very happy with their achievement. आपसे ये support चाहिए and the parents, all those who are sitting here, today we are gathered here कि हम इनके लिए support कर सकें, ताकि जिस तरह सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी हम अपनी बच्ची के लिए मांगते हैं, उसी तरह की सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी हम इनकी बच्चियों को दे सकें. तो प्लीज़ हमारे साथ हमें सपोर्ट कीजिए.
I cannot be that proud enough to request the Honorable Minister for generous donation.
मैं जो मैंने पहले बात की, मेरी गुफ्तगू जारी थी तो बीच में और चीज़ें भी आना शुरू हो गई कि whatever there is intense need of this institution or the other institutions working for the promotion of education of these special children. Like the MD of Kingston said that they need a board for the student or any other thing for the safety or transport or things like that. You just sit down and make a planning for us. I'll present it into the cabinet, and there'll be no problem in that level. Whatever is the intense need of these students for any part of this province, we are ready to extend our full help, full cooperation, and whatever you like. But at the moment, from my own pocket, I would like to announce 50,000 for this donation.
Thank you very much, sir. Dera Manana, बहुत बहुत मेहरबानी. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you.